Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make amazing slime using mousse and no glue. It's a fun, simple project perfect for anyone wanting to create a unique sensory experience. You'll only need a few common household items. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, then move on to the easy mixing steps. Get ready to transform everyday items into a wonderfully squishy, stretchable toy in just a few minutes. Let's begin by combining our main liquid ingredients. Take your 1/2 cup of thick shampoo and pour it into a spacious mixing bowl. Next, add 1 full cup of your chosen shaving foam or hair mousse. Use a spoon to gently mix these two together until they form a smooth, uniform base. If you desire a colorful slime, now is the perfect moment to incorporate a few drops of food coloring. Now, let's introduce the cornstarch to give our slime its structure. Slowly add 1/4 cup of cornstarch to your shampoo and mousse mixture, stirring continuously. It will start to thicken and become a bit crumbly. Then, gradually incorporate 1/3 cup of cool water, adding just 2 tablespoons at a time. Keep mixing until the entire concoction transforms into a smooth, slimy texture. With your mixture now slimy, it's time for the final step, kneading. Take the slime out of the bowl and work it with your hands for about 5 minutes. This process is crucial for developing that wonderfully smooth and stretchy texture. If it feels a little too sticky, sprinkle in a tiny bit more cornstarch. For a stiffer slime, a small amount of extra shampoo can help. Store your creation in an airtight container to enjoy it longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.